Hello, this is Krisha and welcome to my small garden tour. If you are new here, welcome. Please like and subscribe to my channel. All right, that was my garden at night. And now we have my new seedlings that I am very excited about. I have purple Cherokee tomatoes and then pear tomatoes. And then I threw in a couple of big red peppers. They are babies right now, so let's all hope that they grow. And then I have a new grapevine. I've never grown grapes before, so we shall see. We'll get into these two containers by the end of this video. But this is a hanging basket that I threw some petunia and daisy seeds in. They are actually sprouting, so I need to put some type of hormones or vitamins off in there to get some good growth. That was my rose bush. I planted that last year and it's coming back. Those Better Boy tomatoes are looking really good. I have two, as you can see. I'm so excited about those. Again, my first time growing tomatoes. I've never grown tomatoes before. And this is my beautiful, beautiful Spanish lavender plant. I have two of those, but only one made it through the winter. So I'm excited about my one. All right, this is a mallow or a hibiscus plant. I started that from seed too as well. As you can see, it's really small, but it's supposed to grow into a beautiful plant with a huge flower up to 8 inches. Sorry, I was eating some snacks before I started this video. I'm trying to swallow and talk at the same time. But this is new as well, the rose bush. Those are supposed to be climbing. They're supposed to climb up a trellis, so I do have an arch. I purchased that. I need to put it together. So hopefully by next year I have some roses that are climbing up the trellis. Nasturtiums, they're really leggy, but we'll see what happened to those. Rosemary made it through the winter, and those are next to it. I have some store-bought basil. I started some basil too from seed. I forgot to mention that. That was in the container with the pear tomatoes and the Cherokee tomatoes. My white dogwood tree made it through the winter too as well. I'm excited about that. I just showed you all that a few seconds ago. Those are crocus bulbs. We discussed those in the past. I have a new owl. My owl is keeping away whatever it is that was digging in my yard at night. However, it made its way back in the daytime. So, and of course I can't do anything about that. I went to Walmart and I came back and something had dug in my pots and I was like, no. So I don't know what I'm going to do about the daytime digging, but it's working for the night. And these are more tomato seedlings. I have way too many tomatoes. I got excited about my tomatoes. So yeah, we'll see how those come along. I may give some. I've already given away a pear tomato seedling. So I think I'm going to give away one of those Cherokee purple tomatoes too as well. So I have someone in my community. They have a small garden as well. And so we swapped seeds this past weekend. But anyway, this is my little small garden bed. Excuse my t-shirt. I've been working out in the garden, so I'm not gonna wear anything nice out there, and I didn't even realize that that portion of my shirt was going to show. But yeah, eggplants, they did not sprout, so I planted some more yesterday. My green tomato seedlings, they are doing well. Really small, but hopefully they grow. And I also planted some cowboy peas or black-eyed peas. Only one of those sprouted. So I threw some more in the garden bed yesterday. So I planted like 6 extra seeds. So we'll see. I should at least get 2 out of those 6 to sprout, since only 1 out of the 3 sprouted last time. And of course, those are red onions that I have growing. I'm going to keep those in there until they pop up, get larger. They're growing really slowly, but I learned that they are huge feeders. So yeah. Oh, I skipped something. Zucchini was in that bed too as well. Those sprouted, and so I have some zucchini seedlings. I planted okra for the first time, and I have zinnia. Thank you so much for watching my video. Have a blessed day.